Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the SUVs and MUVs in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. And if you are not following me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse, and if you are not following me on Facebook, YouTuber Rishabh Chatterjee. And now let's get started. This is the Renault Duster, silver color, and look, you can see it looks very different, and also has fog lights, as you can see. Comes with steel rims with wheel covers. So let me show you the pricing now. It's 2016 model, diesel. Number of owners 2, has done 26,000 kilometers. Insurance is comprehensive, and this is a automatic variant, automatic RXI silver, and the asking price is 10,50,000 and it's negotiable. Side profile of the car. There are rain visors to install and roof rack here. Back profile of the car. There's a back guard too, so you can see there the badging, diesel, DCI. And now let me show you the interiors. So interiors of the Duster: black, brown, silver combination colors. So the steering has this wrapping around, no steering mounted controls on this. Inbuilt music system, but not a touchscreen one. Manual AC, and as I told you, this is automatic variant. And these are the seat covers. And also there's a LCD screen here instead of that mirror. So this one acts like a mirror plus a screen. So that I think is for the rear camera. And this is how the door looks. And yeah, that's the Duster. Audi Q3, white color. So you can see this is the Quattro variant. So this is the premium SUV. We'll see the details here. It's a 2015 model. First owner, has done 36,000 kilometers. Insurance has lapsed. So exactly it's called 35 TDI Quattro. And the asking price is 21,50,000. And let me show you the side profile of the car. Back profile of the car. So you can see it's written 35 TDI Q3. And I'll show you the interiors. Interiors of the Audi, and you can see it definitely feels premium here. Beige seat covers. Sorry, seats are beige, these are not seat covers. So it's an automatic transmission. Inbuilt music player with CD, and also touchscreen is there. And here are the controls: speedometer, tachometer, steering mounted controls. And I'll also give you a glimpse of the back seats. So this is a 5-seater car. Back also there's a AC vent. So back seats, you can see there are 3 headrests. So if anyone is looking for a premium car but at a lesser cost, they can check out this used Q3. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more details about these cars, then the phone number and address is in the description, so you can contact them and get more details. Well, for now, this is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. And I hope you have liked this video, commented, and also subscribed to the channel.